Have you ever wondered how certain molecules affect your DNA's health? Well, today we're diving deep into the microscopic world of our bodies to explore this fascinating topic. Every single cell in our body contains a blueprint for life, a complex molecule known as DNA. DNA, or deoxyribonucleic acid, is like a cookbook of genetic instructions that guide the growth, development, functioning, and reproduction of all our body's cells. Now, imagine if this cookbook was damaged or had missing pages. It would be challenging to cook a good meal, right? Similarly, when our DNA is not in its best shape, our health can take a hit. Let's take a moment to appreciate the importance of DNA health. A healthy DNA means a proper functioning body. It ensures that our cells divide and grow as they should, keeping us healthy and reducing the risk of diseases, including some types of cancer. Now, what if I told you that there are certain molecules that play a crucial role in maintaining and improving our DNA's health? Intrigued? I thought you might be. These molecules are nucleotides, oligopeptides, and amino acids. Let's break them down. Nucleotides are the building blocks of DNA, literally forming the structure of our genetic code. They are essential for cell division and growth. Next, we have oligopeptides. These are short chains of amino acids that help with DNA repair, ensuring our genetic cookbook is always in tip-top shape. Lastly, amino acids, often referred to as the building blocks of proteins, are vital in creating and repairing DNA and cells. Each of these molecules holds a key role in maintaining our DNA's health, and throughout this video, we'll delve deeper into their functions and importance. We'll explore how they work, why they're essential, and how they impact our overall health. Understanding the role of these molecules will give you a new perspective on how to maintain and improve your health. So stay tuned as we embark on this journey of discovery, unraveling the secrets of our DNA's health. Firstly, let's delve into the world of nucleotides. Imagine the blueprint of a house. It's a detailed guide that tells you how to build every part of the house, from the foundation to the roof. Now, if you think of DNA as that blueprint, nucleotides would be the individual instructions on that guide. They are essentially the building blocks of DNA, the fundamental molecules that make up our genetic code. Nucleotides are tiny, yet mighty. Each one consists of three parts: a sugar molecule, a phosphate group, and a nitrogenous base. It's like a mini sandwich with the sugar and phosphate acting as the bread and the nitrogenous base as the filling. And here's where it gets exciting. The order of these nitrogenous bases determines the instructions written in our DNA. It's like the specific order of words in a sentence that gives it meaning. There are 4 types of nitrogenous bases in DNA: adenine, thymine, guanine, and cytosine, often abbreviated as A, T, G, and C. Just like how different combinations of words can make different sentences, different combinations of these bases can encode various instructions for our bodies. They tell our cells what proteins to make, how to function, and even when to divide. But what happens when these nucleotides are damaged or in poor shape? Well, think about a house built with faulty instructions. The walls might not be straight, or the roof might leak. Similarly, damaged or poor quality nucleotides can lead to errors in our DNA, causing diseases or health problems. That's why it's crucial to maintain the health of our nucleotides. A diet rich in nucleotide-containing foods like lean meats, legumes, and certain types of fish can help with this. In a nutshell, nucleotides are the unsung heroes of our DNA. They are the microscopic architects that design and construct the blueprint of life. They might be small, but their role in DNA and therefore our health is immeasurable. So nucleotides are the building blocks of DNA, playing a crucial role in its structure and function. Next up, we have oligopeptides. Ever heard of them? Well, these little guys are essential players in the world of DNA health. Oligopeptides, in their simplest definition, are short chains of amino acids. Now, you might be wondering, what's so special about these short chains? Let's delve into that. Oligopeptides, despite their small size, play a significant role in the cellular processes of our bodies, particularly in DNA repair. Our DNA is constantly under attack from various factors such as radiation, chemicals, and even our own metabolic processes. This can lead to damage that, if left unrepaired, can cause mutations and disrupt normal cellular functions. That's where oligopeptides come into the picture. These tiny chains have a knack for recognizing DNA damage and initiating the repair process. They act like tiny mechanics, spotting issues and kickstarting the repair machinery in our cells. In fact, some oligopeptides are even involved in the actual repair process, helping to fix the damaged DNA and restore it to its original state. Let's think of it this way. Imagine our DNA as a long, winding highway. Over time, this highway can develop potholes and cracks due to wear and tear. Now, oligopeptides are like the road maintenance crew. They patrol the highway, identify the damaged areas, and set in motion the repair work to fix these issues. Without them, our DNA highway would soon become a bumpy, hazardous mess, leading to a range of health problems. But it's not just about repair. Oligopeptides are also crucial for DNA stability. They help maintain the structure and integrity of our DNA, ensuring it functions optimally. In other words, they're not just the repair crew, but also the architects and engineers, maintaining the blueprint of our genetic information. So, while oligopeptides might not be household names like vitamins or minerals, their role in DNA health is just as, if not more, important. They work tirelessly behind the scenes, ensuring our DNA remains in top-notch condition. Thus, oligopeptides are vital in maintaining the integrity of our DNA by assisting in its repair. Finally, we come to amino acids, the stars of the show. Amino acids are the building blocks of life, the small but mighty heroes of our cells. Like a set of molecular Lego, they come together to form proteins, the workhorses of our bodies. This process, known as protein synthesis, is fundamental for cell growth and repair. And where does it all begin? You've guessed it, with our DNA. DNA, the blueprint of life, uses amino acids to write the instructions for every protein in our bodies, all 20 of them, from the essential ones like lysine and threonine, which we must get from food, to the non-essential ones like glutamine and alanine, which our bodies can make on their own. Each amino acid has a unique role. Some, like tryptophan, are precursors to neurotransmitters, helping our brains send and receive signals. Others, like cysteine, are antioxidants, protecting our cells from damage. And then there are those like leucine, isoleucine, and valine, the branched-chain amino acids, which are crucial for muscle growth and repair. But what does all this have to do with DNA health? Well, the DNA in our cells is constantly under attack, from environmental factors, from the normal wear and tear of life, even from the byproducts of our own metabolism. To stay healthy, our DNA needs to be repaired and maintained. And that's where amino acids come in. Amino acids are a key part of the DNA repair process. They help form the proteins that recognize and repair DNA damage, ensuring our genetic material remains intact. Without them, our DNA could accumulate errors, leading to cell dysfunction and disease. Additionally, amino acids also play a vital role in DNA replication, the process by which our cells divide and grow. They help form the proteins that ensure each new cell gets a complete, accurate copy of our DNA. In essence, amino acids are the guardians of our DNA, working tirelessly to keep it healthy and functional. And by doing so, they also contribute to our overall health, playing a crucial role in everything from our immune response to our energy levels. Amino acids, therefore, are indispensable for DNA health, aiding in cell growth and repair. Now that we've explored these essential molecules, let's recap. So we've delved into the fascinating world of nucleotides, oligopeptides, and amino acids. All of these molecules play defining roles in our DNA's health and stability, making them indispensable for maintaining our overall health. Firstly, we looked at nucleotides, these tiny building blocks that form the backbone of our DNA. Not only do they help structure our genetic code, but they also assist in cell division, energy transfer, and signal transduction. They are the foundation upon which our genetic integrity is built and maintained. Next, we examined the role of oligopeptides, small chains of amino acids that play a crucial part in DNA repair. When our DNA is damaged, it's the oligopeptides that come to the rescue, fixing the damage and ensuring the DNA can continue to function correctly. Without them, our DNA would be left vulnerable to mutations, which could lead to a range of health issues. Then we explored the power of amino acids. As the building blocks of proteins, they're vital for DNA replication and transcription. They help to ensure that our genetic information can be accurately copied and transcribed, allowing our cells to function properly and our bodies to stay healthy. But why is DNA health so important? Well, our DNA is like a blueprint for our bodies. It carries the instructions for all our physical characteristics and functions. If our DNA is healthy, our cells can function properly, and we can maintain good health. But if our DNA is damaged or unstable, it can lead to a host of health problems. In essence, these molecules are not just the building blocks of DNA, but the building blocks of life. Understanding them can truly revolutionize your approach to health and wellness. So the next time you think about your health, Remember the crucial roles that nucleotides, oligopeptides, and amino acids play. They're not just scientific jargon, but key players in your journey to achieving and maintaining good health. In essence, these molecules are not just the building blocks of DNA, but the building blocks of life. Understanding them can truly revolutionize your approach to health and wellness.